Local Congress leaders are now banking upon Luizinho Faliero for pushing Goa demands before the centre. Luizinho's birthday convention witnessed this ethos from most of the Congress state leaders. Former Chief Minister and present Congress Desk Incharge of 7 Northeastern states, Luizinho Faliero, has assured his full support to Goenkaars on mining and airport issues. Faliero has expressed the need for a special status to Goa. Luizinho assured that he will strive for resumption of mining in Goa.
आज एक मनीस जर असो आसा की जो सेंटराक पक्षाक थंय इन्फ्लुएंस करपाक शकता फॉर ए स्पेशल स्टेटस इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा जाचो आसा तो लुइझिनो फालेरो करचे हांव ताचे मागता आनी ते करचे प्रयत्न करतो आमचो समाज तेको ताका आसतलो फॉर एक्झाम्पल गोंयचो मायनींग इश्यू गोंयच्या विमानतळाचो इश्यू दाबोळी एअरपोर्ट इश्यू गोंयच्या खातीर आपलो जर जाय जाल्यार फूड सिक्युरिटी प्रॉब्लेम इश्यू I know the capabilities, capacities and the respect for the people of Goa and for the state of Goa that Luizinho Faliero has in his
From Luizinho, तुका जशे दिल्ली मागतात तसो आमकां हांगाय जाय जेन्ना तुजे कार्य तुजी गरज चड आसतली पूण गोंयांत तूं वचूं नाका आयज तुका ज्या जाग्यार आसा पॉलिसी डिसिजन घेता थंय तुज्यान इन्फ्लुएन्स करूं येता
are enjoying the benefit of special category status. Why not Goa? There are many issues like the airport issue, many issues like the mining issue. Fatle 7 वर्सां जरी तर हांवें गोंयांत इंटरफियर केलें ना as a earth न्हू I have got म्हज्या आंगांत रोगतांत आनी काळजांत गोंयचो मोग आहा. To reside, I will not interfere, but I am ready to come with you in whatever. जरी तर आमी चोडवड करपाक फ्रेंड जाय जाल्यार हांव आहा तुमचे बरोबर.
Goa Mining People's Front has threatened closure of central government offices in Goa if mining doesn't start in the state by September. They have also appealed all Goans to participate in the mega convention scheduled on 29th August. For the first time, the front has appreciated efforts taken by the CM to start legal mining in the state.
It is not resolved within a month's time after Ganesh Chaturthi. We are going for a bigger agitation like Rasta Roko. It is all democratic process without any violence. We can always stop any government office without any violence. We will ask them not to enter the offices. So it is not a threat. We mean it. We are telling the people because it is not our agenda. It is the people voice. In fact, till today we are controlling the people, asking them let us have all democratic process. Even stopping people entering the central government offices peacefully is a democratic process.
गोंयच्या लोकांक उलो मारला मागून की यात पणजे शहरांत आनी आपलो एकवट दाखयात मायनिंग लोकांक बरोबर मायनिंग लोकां खातीर आनी गोंयच्या फुडारा खातीर गोंयच्या आर्थीक बळा खातीर 29 तारखेर ब्रेस्तारा दीस सकाळीं 9 पणजे शारांत यात कदंबा प्रासार आमी मेळया आनी आझाद मैदानाचेर चलोवन थंय एक महामेळावो घेवया. लोक आयज एक इतलो अस्वस्थ जाला गोंयचो हाचो परिणाम आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर सुद्धा जाला. तो स्वतः रिझर्व्ह बँक ऑफ इंडिया थंय वचून ताणें तांचे रिझर्व्ह बँक ऑफ इंडियाचे दार खटखटप ताका आमी सलाम दिता.
MPD Chairman P. Mara Pandyan is hopeful of starting marina project on Zuari waterfront soon. Pandyan says that the environment impact assessment clearly states that the marina is favorable in the state as there would be no major impact on environment and biodiversity of the area. Moreover, he is hopeful that iron ore export will commence soon with efforts from all sections of society.
We worked out the particular project where a shallow draft kind of facility would be provided. And marina is basically, it is highly environmental friendly kind of a structure. The reason is that we are not going to dredge it to what you call deep draft, first point. Second point is that most important, it will create lot of employment potential. And also we have got MPT has got a lot of water potential area, and we have conducted detailed environment impact study, which clearly shows it is a scientific study. Any scientific community can examine the report, which has been submitted to us as well as to the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. They can examine all details, everything. It's a very detailed report. It is more or less in favor of the marina in the state. We have signed an agreement with the two companies. One is a Karagwal, other one is a Chowgle Group, and each one will develop roughly about 1 lakh meter square of land into a marina, which will have all facility. It is going to benefit Goa government, the local people, everyone is going to benefit by way of additional income what we are going to generate. Because now we are getting a lot of tourists, but there one sector which we have totally forgotten is that the people who are coming by yachts and luxury boats, everything, so that we are not concentrating, because that will be additional income to state of Goa.
Pandian is hopeful of starting iron ore mining in the state soon.
Ban has really affected our port MPT very badly from the income point of view. In fact, we are really suffering a lot, I know that. Though we are trying to bring a lot of new commodity, and the income what was generated by iron ore, we will never be able to match it also. But however, I am quite confident very soon probably the Supreme Court will be able to decide the case more in favor of the iron ore mining. And because now I understand almost all the agencies involved in iron ore mining have taken a stand for early commissioning of the iron ore. And as you know, particularly even the rupee is falling. And as we import, now we'll be able to get more and more dollars also. That will be able to stabilize our economy also. And I do hope that like Supreme Court will be able to pass an order as soon as possible.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Town and Country Planning Department has decided to allow 20% more FAR for educational institutions. Proposal was placed before the TCP board meeting on Monday. It will now be sent for government approval. Earlier, limit for FAR for educational institutions was 12.5 meter, which will now be 15.5 meter. Board has at present partially approved committee reports submitted by Nana Bandekar on agricultural land.
Town and Country Planning has decided to increase floor area ratio of educational institutions. TCP has approved 20% FAR for educational institutions only. Nearly 5 to 6 proposals had come before the board during its Monday meeting.
So, subject to certain condition, educational institutes which are approved by certain authorities and which is stand-alone education institute. That means you cannot have a building in which people stay and institute is there. A complete campus will be permitted 20% relaxation in FAR and 1 floor extra. That is 3.5 meters or 1 floor? 1 floor extra. So this is to ensure that they can accommodate more students without actually destroying the ground which children are made.
Chief Town Planner S. Putturaju informed that the TCP has decided to give permission to set up temporary structures in orchard land to strengthen agricultural activity. Such a proposal has come from the Agriculture Department. Committee under Nana Bandekar submitted its report to the TCP.
We give only 5% for farmhouses, but there are things which are not required, not a permanent structures, for example, like even horticulture is there, floriculture is there, which are just temporary structures. So based on this one, there was a proposal of Agriculture Department requesting the board to consider for an higher FAR to all consider those activities as developments with certain relaxations in our regulations. Now, though we have not finalized it, in principle that suggestions of the committee is accepted by the board.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Kaukar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.